How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. We're going to talk about NIO because I think this is a great short opportunity. If you want to buy puts, you can do that too if you're into options. And I'm going to give you guys my clear reason. It's just not just throwing a dart out here. But yeah, I want to talk about NIO because I made a video before and I say if it gets to this level as what I'm watching, it has room up to pump. And as you can see, we made a nice 12% move up here. So what I'm looking for this is something like this down here. You see at 909, we hit this upper band here and we just kind of, we drifted down. We had a nice little gain. Now, no one can say this thing is just going to tank, and just drop and break this trend here. As you can see, we have respected this bullish trend. It's just that simple, right? So if you wait for these pullbacks down here at this lower trend channel, that's where your risk management is. I said, I'm bullish down here and then my stop loss is below the EMA 20. Because if you look at this, price will hit your EMA 5, 10, and 20. No matter what, whatever stock it is, those are your reversions to the mean. That's the one thing that is guaranteed in the market. So you had this EMA 5 getting hit first, then the 10, and we just barely missed the 20. So keep in mind, we are still due for this 20. The last time we touched it was way back in 903, so we were at the end of the month coming into October, so we still had this point target here at this blue band, and if you just draw your trend channel, you'll see how clear the resistance is, and just it getting close to this resistance, this just signifies to me this is a big resistance point. Now, obviously, I love when price gets to my upper band, this red band, I have it color-coded red because it just gives me a double signal of, okay, not only do we have the trend channel, we also have an ATR4, which is customized to be extremely overextended, and you can just really get those reversions means back. So I like talking about NIO. There's a bull and bear case for everything. You just got to know when to use the sides. Obviously, when it just keeps pumping and pumping, do you just keep, being a bull until it crashes and then you lose all your money? So obviously right here, I think it's really smart to take gains. If it does break out of this, it will get to this ATR4, and oftentimes we just reject anyways from there. So there's really not much room to the upside. Whereas to the downside, you can see, we can go all the way back to this lower trend channel, making a 19% move down, or we hit the EMA 20 or 21%. Just the 5 is a 12%. So there's nice, decent move down, and if you do options, that's a pretty nice move to make. So yeah, I'm definitely watching this. Keep in mind, this is a video. When I made a video in the past, I said right in here, expect resistance, and right in here, I said expect support. Now this video is expect a bear case happening. So, like I said, both sides win. It's the pigs that get slaughtered. If you don't ever decide to take profit and you just keep thinking, I'm just going to keep holding and holding, you can see what's going to happen in the past here. You can have something like this where we come up, we can have a clear trend channel here. We'll just draw the trend channel, and you can see right in here, plus with the band getting touched, you can see how we got broken out. We can do something like this where we break out, but the bear case is just too strong up in here, and a lot of times we come back and we hit these EMA 5s, and then it just keeps drifting slowly down as we just broke this bottom trend channel, and that's what can really happen. So I always say, if anyone asks, do I take profit? Absolutely, because we can see all the time, every time we get close to this band, we have a big sell-off, and even though it looks like you're making higher lows, it just breaks the channel, and it can do that at any moment. So this right here looks absolutely bullish. I think we can all agree, higher lows. It's climbing up. It's having those nice little pullbacks and then resuming the uptrend. So if you guys want to know this strategy, and I have a lot of stocks that are on my watch for the next week, you guys are more than welcome to join the Discord. It looks like this. I'll take you here to the free chat. If you click the link down below in the YouTube comments and in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. I'm going to give you guys all the education, how to set up your chart. I give alerts. Day trading is absolutely my favorite, but if you do decide to join, just hit server shop, or you can hit day trade alerts. It will give you access to everything. And this right here, I'll show you guys how to use a system on how I win over 90% of my trades, and it is facts. It's just a really nice system is because we're not guessing at the market. We're using a system that we know works. It's made me a full-time trader, and it's made a lot of people, more, intelligent in the market on how algos work, because this is really what it is. We're basing on what are the algos doing. The big institutions control it, and they're going to come back in waves, right? So when we're hitting that upper band here, and then we're hitting this upper trend, we know the algos are going to start kicking in and making this thing back to bounce, because once it goes like this rate up in here is in bounce. When it comes back down, it becomes bounce, and then we come back up to imbalance, and then we go back down to bounce. And that's really how it is. We're trying to make those 10 to 20% consistent returns. So $12 a month will give you access to all the subscriptions. You're going to get my RTK journal, where you can see my trades, how I win a lot. But the reason why I want you to try the day and swing trading plus is because day trades is my money making machine. I day trade the indexes on a 1 minute time frame. So think about it. You're having that reversion of the mean, but it happens faster on a lower time frame, whereas on daily it takes a little more. So we're making fast returns, 10 to 20% gains in literally a matter of minutes, and just keep rinsing and repeating. And it's best for small accounts. Bigger accounts, you just make tons of money. So if you do subscribe to it on your computer, as your phone will charge you an iOS fee. And I can just give you an example. We have the day trading education. Watch all these videos, and I promise you, day trading sounds scary. It will not be scary. I even teach you guys how to do the options and what I look for, and it's so basic. We have swing trade alerts, swing trading education. You can watch all these videos on how to set up your chart and all that. But they are intertwined. So once you understand the strategy, I think you guys are gonna love it. Yeah, but this is NIO. I just wanted to give a nice little analysis, as I like this opportunity, as I see it's trending on StockSwitch. It's a lot of people are talking about it, and if this does like a breakout, what I can really see is what if we do break out of it. I can easily see it hitting this upper ATR4 and then coming back down into this channel here is what I can really see happening. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I try to keep it realistic, analysis that works, technical analysis that is, keep it simple, stupid. What works for me, this is very easy to do. Set up your bands, you know the reversion of the mean happens. And the big thing that I couldn't really talk about in this video a lot is time distance. Watch all those education videos and you'll understand what I mean by that, and it is so important, and I think you guys can make a lot of money. All right, guys, thank you so much. If you guys want to join, the Discord's here. I really think you guys are going to like it. You can read all the testimonies, how a lot of accounts have just made bank doing this strategy, making thousands of dollars doing the day trading. So do try the day trading. And NIO, I do expect a correction, and that is my thesis on that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next videos, and happy trading and stay blessed. God bless you all. Peace out.